Welcome to the Gadget Gennie channel.
Look at the gadgets from Amazon that you will want to buy available on Amazon. We made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. Here are the gadgets from Amazon that you will want to buy. The 10th one on the list is BenjiLock. The BenjiLock by Hampton Fingerprint Deadbolt in satin nickel brings security to your fingertips with a biometric sensor that quickly scans a fingerprint and opens the deadbolt with a single touch. Users whose fingerprints are not programmed into the lock can still unlock the deadbolt without fumbling with keys. By entering an authorized access code into the digital keypad will unlock the deadbolt. Not ready to give up your key? The deadbolt also comes with a traditional key to unlock it. The 9th one on the list is 4T7 Smart Chopping Board. Making life more exciting. Make meal prep easy while bringing joy back to your kitchen. The 4T7 combines 7 powerful tools to make cooking faster and make healthy eating come naturally. The 2 full-sized cutting boards and defrosting tray let you prep more food faster, while a built-in digital scale, timer, and an in-app calorie counter put you in the driver's seat for your health. And with a magnetic knife holder and clever Lego-like design, it gives valuable countertop real estate back to your kitchen while making cleanup quick. The 4T7 Smart Cutting Boards contain bamboo chopping board and extended chopping board. Both boards are recyclable. Use one board for meat and the other for veg. Let you enjoy your meal. It puts 7 powerful tools into one modern meal prep machine. So you can chop it, weigh it, time it, defrost it, and even count the calories for your next meal. All in one place. Bamboo cutting board. Extended board, wheat straw board. Original base. Manual and packing box. The 8th one on the list is YEEUU Smart Door Lock with Fingerprint. YEEUU Smart Door Lock hidden high technology, bank-grade security. This product is for smart home adopters, for customers who care more about home decor and living more easily than technology and gadgets. The bank-grade AES-128 encryption chip keeps your fingerprint and data in the application private. Fingerprint identification, just one touch to unlock your fingerprint smart lock, faster than fumbling for your keys. The most secure 6-in-1 keyless entry smart door lock app, via Bluetooth, plus fingerprint plus code plus access card plus NFC devices plus mechanical key. Auto lock and unlock. The fingerprint door lock will automatically lock after unlocking for 6 seconds, keeping your home secure even when you're in a hurry. After enabling unlocking, the lock can stay unlocked for anyone else to open until you turn it off. Intelligent management. With the YEEUU app, you can grant access to your family or guests, see logs of events and alert alerts. Various access codes include permanent access code, one-time access code, anti-snooping access code, etc. Ultra-low battery consumption. This fingerprint smart lock can last more than 12 months with 3 AAA alkaline batteries. Since the batteries are mounted on the front bar, you can replace them without worrying about being locked out. DIY installation and satisfaction guarantees. One keyless entry door lock is easy to install, no extra drilling required. 1-year product warranty and lifetime 7 by 24 hours online customer service support after the date of purchase. The 7th one on the list is Nitecore Portable Air Conditioner. Are looking for an indoor fan? This new air cooler is your best choice. There are 4 universal caster under the bottom, so it's very easy to move among bedroom, dining room, office, classroom, etc. You can adjust the fan speed among low, middle and high to meet all your needs in various occasions, and the vent is adjustable as well. Equipped with a 1.7-gallon, 6.5-liter water tank and 2 ice crystal refrigeration, it works perfect as air cooler and a humidifier. Thanks to the anion releasing function and the filter inside, this air cooler will build you a more comfortable living environment. Last but not the least, the remote control along with the 7.5-hour timer promises you a more relaxing sleeping throughout the night. Features includes 3 different fan speeds modes, low, middle and high, equipped with 1.7 gallon, 6.5 liter water tank and 2 ice crystal refrigeration. Works perfect both as an air cooler and a humidifier. LED display, control panel and remote control makes the operation much easier. 7.5-hour timer ensures comfortable sleeping during the night, ideal for various occasions including home, office, coffee and etc. For universal casters allows for easier movement. The 6th one on the list is Glowing Bike Wheels Q Pro. Most people are aware of the need for front and rear bike lighting, but often overlook the importance of side visibility lights for riding bikes at night. If you love riding your bike in the evening after dark, you know it doesn't really give you a chance to show off your bicycle and be the cool kid on the block. Most importantly, it can be dangerous if you can't be seen. That's why we created these bright colored LED light ropes for bike tires that you can attach to your wheel rim to create a beautiful, glowing, colorful spinning wheel that your friends and neighbors will never forget. WheelBright's bicycle lights for riding at night provide a cool glow for both front and rear wheels on bicycles. Whether you're riding through the city street or sidewalk, along the beach, or a trail at your local park, WheelBright's keeps you safe and visible as you ride your bicycle after dark. WheelBright's LED bike lights are designed for creativity and to fit your style. For bicycle tires measuring 23 to 29 inches, you can make one loop around the tire rim. For bike tires less than 20 inches, the LED light rope can be cut to fit, or you can make multiple loops around your bike spokes to make your entire wheel glow. Bright's LED wheel lights fasten securely and safely to the wheel with heavy-duty zip ties, resist water with waterproof tubing, and come in all types of brilliant colors to match your bike's frame or your individual style. The 5th one on the list is Honeywell Ceiling Fans. From the tip of the canopy down to the unique lantern-inspired light, the 56-inch Honeywell Kaliza ceiling fan says home sweet home with a bold and contemporary flair. Beautifully crafted with unique modern details, the Kaliza features a beautiful pewter finish complemented by the elongated lines that make up the arms of the blade, truly accentuating each of the 6 wood-toned fan blades. Each blade is easily adjusted and reversible with a black pine finish on one side for a dramatic look and a pewter finish on the other side for a modern appeal. The choice is yours. The lightly frosted finish on the light gives a very crisp, tailored look while adding just the right amount of illumination to your beautiful spaces. This fan is a perfect fusion of a modern look with an industrial farmhouse twist that has mass appeal and is harmonious to many decor styles. This fan is easy to install and comes with 2 different mounting options, standard or angled. The down rod is 4 inches in length with an accompanying 54 inches lead wire should you wish to get a longer down rod. The reversible motor housing enables it to not only cool during the summer but help circulate warm air during the winter. For added ease and elevated luxury, the features and fan functions are adjustable by remote control. A limited lifetime warranty backs each Honeywell ceiling fan. Offering a unique style, adequate airflow, and superior quality, just like all else Honeywell, you'll be able to rely on this fan for years to come. The 4th one on the list. Ulanzi L2 RGB COB Video Light. Outfitted with several magnetic mounting points, this L2 COB RGB LED magnetic light cube from Ulanzi can easily attach to any magnetic surface to properly light your next photoshoot or vlog. Equipped with full 360 degrees RGB color and HSI mode and 11 effects modes, the L2 can unleash your creative vision. Built into the light cube is an OLED display and onboard button controls to easily toggle between settings. Included with the light are a set of barn doors, a condenser, and 2 different diffusers to further customize its saturation and focus. You can also mount the light on a mini tripod or the top of your camera using the integrated 1/4 inches to 20 inches thread or cold shoe adapter. Its USB-C interface charges the built-in 800 mAh battery, which boasts a 65-minute runtime at maximum brightness. Dynamic light effects. Cop car. Red flash. Green flash. Blue flash. Fireworks. HSI slow, HSI fast. Ambulance. Party. Fire engine. RGB strobe. The third one on the list. NReal Air AR Glasses. Dive into a new digital experience. NReal Air gives you up to 201 inches IMAX screen experience. NReal Air has low blue light, flicker-free and eye comfort as certified by TV Rhineland Group, marking a world first as the only device in the XR field. Envisioned and designed for comfort, for everyone. Become a trailblazer of style and cutting-edge technology. Get set for big screen viewing and an immersive gaming experience everywhere you go with the all-new, exclusive NReal Air Augmented Reality Glasses. High-fidelity sound coupled with a 3840 by 1080 Full HD OLED cinema screen display means you can experience your digital world in a whole new way. Two open-ear speakers mean you can still hear the world around you, but noise and echo cancellation modes let you immerse yourself within your digital world when it suits you. The additional prescription frame allows you to fit prescription lenses to the glasses, so you don't need to wear your regular pair underneath. The second one. LaMetric Time Wi-Fi Clock for Smart Home. Meet LaMetric Time, the most versatile timepiece for smart living. It's a pixelated display in a retro style that will make your space stand out. Create your own or choose from thousands of cheerful clock faces that are aimed to make your interior exciting and eye-catching. Plunge into the holiday atmosphere with LaMetric Time and its festive clock faces that automatically come to life on holidays. Christmas tree, Easter bunny, or a pumpkin mean that it's time to celebrate. Get the accurate time, prepare yourself for the day knowing the current weather, display messages in cinema lightbox style and measure how much time you spend on tasks, cooking, fitness, or other activities. LaMetric Time works as a highly visible display showing notifications from smartphones, smart home devices, and allowing anyone to control them with the click of a button. Wake up with online radio, listen to Spotify, or stream your favorite songs to LaMetric Time stereo speakers. Enjoy the visual equalizer. With apps from LaMetric Market, created by independent developers, it tracks news, emails, tweets, followers and social media, sales, deadlines and any other metric needed for your home, business or team and displays them at a glance. It also helps you to stay productive and plan your day with a daily agenda, eye-catching reminders, Pomodoro timer and lots of other apps. DIY your own apps to track important data. LaMetric Time is a standalone Wi-Fi device. iPhone or Android smartphone is needed for setting it up and configuration only. The interface is easy to use, left and right buttons for navigation between the apps, middle button for taking related actions. The form factor is sized to fit well on a desk, bedside table, TV stand, shelf or a counter. The first one. DJI FPV Goggles V2 for drone racing immersive experience. Discover the new immersive goggles DJI for piloting your drones, the DJI FPV Goggles V2. It allows you to view your live images from the drone up to 10 kilometers away. 2-inch screen with 720 pixel video return up to 120 IPS and almost instantaneous image display thanks to a low latency of 28 milliseconds. Delivered with a 1800 mAh 2S Li-ion battery. DJI FPV Goggles V2, experience your emotions aboard your drone and record your high-definition digital images with very low latency. Compatible with DJI FPV controller and DJI FPV Air Unit. Warning, the DJI FPV Goggles V2 is only compatible with the DJI Air Unit or the CAX Vista. It is not compatible with 5.8 GHz analog transmitters without modifications. Links to the products are given in the description box. Please like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.